Now that your soffit girts have been installed, J-trim will need to be placed along the walls of the building before the soffit panels can slide into place. J-trim will be identified on your sheet metal trim package list as at overhang soffit. The J-trim will span from end to end of your overhang. Although each piece of trim is 10 feet 2 inches long, it has a coverage of 10 feet. As you install additional pieces of trim, they should lap the previous piece by a minimum of 2 inches. Since our building uses the bottom chord system, the J-trim can be placed directly below the overhang beams and soffit girt located on the side wall. Ensure your soffit girts are plumb before proceeding. Before installing J-trim, place your outside foam closure strips along the wall panels. These are critical for sealing out moisture and pests. Once closures are in place, install the J-trim on top of the foam closure strips. Each length of J-trim should be secured with a minimum of 3 sheet metal screws into the high rib of the wall panels. As you lap additional pieces of trim, ensure the lap has a sheet metal screw securing both pieces through the high rib of the wall panel. It's critical that the J-trim runs straight. Check every piece with a level as you go. Once all the J-trim is installed at your wall panel, it's time to complete your soffit framing and trim at the overhang end wall. A piece of track will need to be installed perpendicular to the outer soffit girts and will run from the sidewall to the inside edge of the eave purlin. This will serve as the track that our base trim will attach to. In our example, the total length required is 46 1/4 inches. Mark this on your track and cut. This track will encapsulate the outer soffit girts as demonstrated here. Secure through the bottom leg of the track and into the soffit girts. The base trim located on the outer soffit track will need to be cut to length. In our example, the length required is 46 1/4 inches. Mark your trim and cut. Ensure your J-trim is level before securing with pancake head screws. The base trim will be our starting point for the soffit panels. The top leg of the base trim should be flush with the bottom soffit girt. Once all J-trim and base trim has been installed, you may proceed with your overhang soffit installation. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.